In the quiet town of Taos, some residents began hearing a strange sound, a deep, low humming noise. But here's the terrifying part. Most people couldn't hear it at all. The phenomenon became known as the Taos Hum. People described the sound as a distant engine running non-stop. Some said it kept them awake every night. Others reported headaches, dizziness, and anxiety. Scientists arrived with sensitive equipment to investigate the mystery. They searched for hidden machines, radio frequencies, and underground vibrations. But no clear source was ever discovered. And the strangest part? Only a small number of people could hear the sound. Some believed secret military technology was responsible. Others thought it came from underground tunnels or strange natural frequencies. And darker theories soon spread online: mind control, hidden experiments, or something humanity was never supposed to hear. To this day, the mystery of the Taos Hum remains unsolved. So tell me, what do you think people were hearing? If you liked the video, please like, share, comment, follow, and visit Echoes of the Lost TV. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell so that all my upcoming videos can reach you.